Okay, here is a question that wants you to find the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. They give you the slope and they give you a point. So you're going to use the point slope formula because the y-intercept is missing. So the first thing that you do is you go ahead and label your -1 as x1. That's the x coordinate. The y1 is -3 because this is the y coordinate. So you have y, you're going to bring that down from the formula, minus sign, bring that down. The y1 is -3, so you're just going to put that in as -3. The equal sign comes down. The slope is given as 2, so that's what you put. You're substituting that slope in, then you bring down the parenthesis, you bring down the x, you're bringing down the subtraction sign, and then also now x1, you're going to do a little substitution, put in as -1. You might notice, and I hope you do, that you have back-to-back negatives. Back-to-back negatives here and back-to-back negatives here. Back-to-back negatives become a positive. If you use keep change change, you'll notice that both will become positive. So just go ahead, when you recognize that you have back-to-back negatives, just go ahead and just make them addition. Make them both positive. Now you bring down, actually before you bring down, you're going to use distributive property. You cannot solve an equation with the parentheses in. You're going to use distributive property both times here to distribute that 2 across everything inside of the parenthesis. So 2 times x is 2x, and you write that down. And then 2 times 1 is 2, and it's a positive 2 because it's positive 2 times a positive 1. Bring down the equal sign, and also bring down the y plus 3. Now, you have to solve this for y, and the reason that is because the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. Solved for y. And that's what the question is asking you. It's asking you to solve in slope-intercept form. Slope and intercept. Slope-intercept form. So, in order to get this y alone, this positive 3 has to be over onto the other side. It's not right now. Use inverse operations to subtract the 3 from both sides. And you'll notice that these cancel. You bring down the y, bring down the equal sign, and bring down the 2x. Now hopefully you didn't do all this work to get this part wrong. Positive 2 and a minus 3. 2 minus 3, -1. So there's your equation of a line, of this line, is y equals 2x minus 1. And you notice that the b, which is the y-intercept, is -1. So this line has a slope of 2 and crosses at -1. You answered the question, and that's it.